Today we have a nice Roskamp 9x12 2-pair high roller mill. This roller mill has 8 grooves to the inch on that roll, and on this roll 12 grooves to the inch. Has a full set of safety shields, and it is greasable without removing the shields. The top rolls are 1-to-1 ratio. The bottom roll is a differential roll, meaning that one pulley spins one of the rolls faster than the other. This is a 1 to 1.5 ratio. This unit is also equipped with a 10 horsepower single-phase motor. We are going to run the unit for you, and today we are also going to grind some popcorn and roll some oats with this unit. This unit also has easy adjustable rolls. By turning this crank, you can adjust the gap of your rolls, and it has the easy readout indicators for both sets. We are going to now start the mill with the doors open. You can see that it runs very well. And is in very good condition. No irregular noises. This unit is equipped with a rotating agitator to keep the feed moving and evenly fed. You can see that these rolls are nice and sharp and have a lot of life left in them. Now we are going to roll these oats for my cattle. These are smaller. These were from seed oats I cleaned for a gentleman, and then I re-cleaned the screenings so they'd be clean and free of any rock or anything. And we're going to roll these, and we just want to crimp them up so the cattle chew on them, and we don't want to grind them. So that is my plan. Now we are using the top rolls, 8 grooves to the inch, and we got the bottom ones open. And these are our results. You got a little bit of grooves in it for cattle. You don't want to chew it all up. And it's crimping them nicely. And you can adjust the gap of the roll together more or apart. So now we're going to go into rolling the whole 600 and some pounds. It's trucking through at a pretty good speed, and it's really doing a nice job. We have concluded rolling the oats, and you can see the end results. They're nice and fluffy now, and the animals will be able to utilize them better because they're rolled open and crimped, and then when they chew on them and it goes through the cattle digestion, they will get the nutrients out. So I'm happy with those results. This is the 9x12 2-pair high Roskamp, so it's like two roller mills in one. You got your top set and your bottom set. I had the bottom set open and the top set closed down to where it crimped them nicely. So now we will do some popcorn. Now use both sets of rolls on, and because it is a differential drive roller mill, we're going to be able to grind this pretty fine. Popcorn is flinty. I did look it up. It has between 8 and 11% crude protein. So we're going to grind this down pretty fine because it would just pass through the animal and it would be hard for them to chew on. It's harder than number 2 yellow. There was number 2 yellow corn in there also. But this is what we're going to grind next. And then we will show you that going through the roller mill once we get it set and ready to go. Alright, I have the rolls set where I want them. I want to finally grind this because this has a differential drive. This is popcorn, and then that's going to be mixed with the oats that we did earlier. It's going to get loud. Corn is a lot louder running through the roller mill, so it will get a lot louder as I'm running this. We have about 870 pounds of this corn to run, so we're going to run it now. Okay, we're grinding corn because we're makeshift in here, bouncing out a little bit there, but we're getting a good grind on the corn. That's popcorn. That'll be good feed now. Gonna get ready to wrap this up. We're probably about out of grain, and then I'll catch up with you when we are finished. But we got that all ground, and this is the consistency of the ground. That's popcorn. Smells good. It's going to be good feed. These will grind corn down to that fine. You can see that. I don't know what micron that is, but it's nice and fine. Good feed mill corn. Well, that concludes the demonstration for today. We have opened it all up, blowed it all out, and it is now ready for sale. 10 horsepower single phase motor right here. And this is Roskamp 9x12 2-pair high, fully functional and ready to go to work. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.